Accelerate your affiliate marketing business in 2021 by using Builderall 4.0 by creating unlimited sales funnel as well as by collecting unlimited email leads for free. Recently, they came up with a new plan which is just providing you unlimited sales funnel, unlimited website. You can broadcast unlimited email which is completely free, as well as their pricing are amazing. So stick to this video guys and smash that like button right away right now, because Builderall is an amazing tool which will accelerate your affiliate marketing business. As well as if you're first time, do subscribe my channel called Affiliate Conversion, where I'm uploading videos on Monday and Thursday. You can watch few of my video before you take a decision of subscribing, and once if you subscribe, put that bell notification right away. With that said, let's dive in. We believe in underpricing and over delivering. I think this software has really did this right now in this time, and they have made there are so many different features for any affiliate marketer beginners to use. Okay, they completely made it for free, and also when I saw the price, it was like amazing, $69, and that's an amazing price to use this much of features here. So let me show you some of the features very important for any affiliate marketer. Here you can see Cheetah drag and drop website builder. You can create a website, okay, drag and drop, and then you have a funnel builder over here, okay, drag and drop, and Builderall video hosting and manager, which is really important, okay. And then you have guys drag and drop email marketing automation. You can, this is a complete platform guys. You can create a sales funnel, you can collect the email here itself, okay, professional email marketing platform, responsive email builder. So these are the few things which very important. And guys, you can have unlimited Builderall Cheetah subdomain, so you can use unlimited subdomain, and this is one gap which they have given here, that you can't add your own domain. Here you can see 0 domain here. And also they have made little limitation over here, that is 500 MB only, okay, which you can use with this software. And I think that is enough for any affiliate marketing beginners who is starting out. The link is given in the description guys. You can grab this software, and so many different things like A/B testing is there, and page loading accelerator, which is really important. So chatbot, you can create a chatbot now. These all are given here guys, so you can check this all thing in your own time. I think the price wise also guys, with $99 they have made only $69.70, which is an amazing. And here is the best part which I really like it, that is they made it 15 domains. That means you can add 15 domains and you have 10 GB disk space, okay, that is the space they are giving you, an unlimited subscriber, okay. You can collect like 10,000 email, 100,000 email. Here also you can collect 10,000 email, 100,000 email, whatever you want you can use this. Just only with Builderall ad will be there. It's fine guys, it's okay to use that, as well as all the feature which I mentioned you in the free. Plus if you can see, they have given a little bit more, okay, Cheetah Turbo, all this, okay, website transfer, funnel transfer, okay, all these things as given here. So only $69, and you have to lock this price, otherwise they are going to increase the price, and then you have to pay $99. I think this is the best for any beginners to use with 15 domains, and their funnel is amazing, that I'm going to show you in a second. And then guys, this I have seen recently only, they also changed the price of Funnel Club, that was like $199 one time, they made it only $69. So you have to lock it again, and you can have much more feature, okay, like this, okay, all the feature. But I think this one is amazing for any affiliate marketing. Without the tool guys, you can't do affiliate marketing. If I compare this thing with ClickFunnels, here you can see you can have only 3 domain and they're charging $97 per month, okay. And but here you can see this like $69 or $70, you can say. You can have 15 domains here, as well as I can also compare this thing with Kartra, and this is an amazing also, again $99 and only 1 domain here they are giving. For 3 domain you have to pay $199, okay. For 5 domain you have to pay $299, but the software is amazing, no doubt in this. So here what they did is, like, they really make it free, okay, so many different things, so including all these softwares. This is an amazing to upgrade right away right now, okay. So you can make your free account guys, the link is given in the description. Then once if you make a free account, just click here. So this will be your dashboard, and you can keep all the apps here, right, whatever the apps you want. If you don't want, you can delete this app, and you can add more apps, or as well as the tool here, okay. You can add from here, right, apps or the tool. As well as guys, you can also click here install more tools. So here you can see, right, if you click here builders, it will show you all the right Cheetah builder, right, funnel builder, email builders, right, all other like chatbot builder, e-learning builders, and all this, whatever you looking for, you can add it from here. Okay, by just clicking add it, it will be added in your dashboard. Like email marketing, right, like engagement tools, right, as well as in design you can see, right, video wrapper, which you can use to create your Instagram videos or Facebook videos. Okay, as well as like 3D photo editor, animated video sales letter, which you can create for your ad, as well as one of my favorite is like video funnel builder, right, you can add it. This will appear in your dashboard itself. Okay, and then guys, you can get into, right, reporting tools. So many reporting tools you can have it, right, that all you can check. Now let's get into the home page. So now here you can see these are the things which I use. So you can keep it here, and here you can see video funnel builder. Okay, and you can click, it will open another, right, window. Okay, then you have guys Cheetah funnel builder, right. Just I want to show you this very quickly, like entering, click here, and to create your sales funnel, just click add funnel here, name your funnel, and then guys you can select the themes which you want, right, business funnel like this, and then select, right, create funnel. And now you can structure your funnel. Okay, everything is, right, instructed here, like start the funnel. So now you can have, right, all the pages here. You can add literally one by one each of these pages, or else you can also go for a blueprint. Okay, you can select this one, right, lead capture and lead magnet, magazines, and so many other is already given you for sales purpose, for webinar, right, all already they have created or put the, right, funnel structure. Just you have to select that one and you can edit. Or if you want to create by your own, then you can literally go each of these, right, select all these things and you can add that. Okay, so here what I'm going to do is, like, I'm going to use, right, blueprint. Okay, lead capture. So if I select this one, it will show you the lead capture one. This is a lead magnet one. Okay, so if I select this one, right, look at this, this will be like this. Okay, so this is a lead magnet page where you go offer something to people, right. The lead magnet, the email will be collected in this page. You can edit this page later and it will be collected in the form. Okay, and then you can go to confirm email page and the download page. Okay, and if you want, you can add more option here, like just by clicking here. If you want something more, you can add single pages also. Okay, just very easy, like squeeze page, or maybe, right, external source page. Okay, you can add that thing here. Okay, download page, maybe like this, and now you have a download page. You can collect whatever you want to send your customer. Okay, once they see this lead magnet, they will enter their email. It will be go to the email form, right, confirmation email if you want to create this. Okay, if you don't want that, just click here, everything in front of you, and then they will go from here to download page, and from download page, right, just connect them to a download page or maybe some other page. Okay, whatever it is, okay, for you. So now this is the structure of your, right, entire funnel. Okay, once it is ready, then select here generate site, so that you can edit each of these and to create go to website. So you have to log in once again to this, right, Cheetah funnel builder, and look at this. Okay, everything is created here, and you can edit all of this whatever you want. Okay, just very easy. Even you can create a new site from the scratch if you want, right. For example, just now we created for my YouTube buddies. Now edit this one. Look at this, confirmation email, download page, lead magnet page. So if you want to edit this, just click here, edit. So here we can edit the page. Everything is a drag and drop, guys, and they have amazing features here. Look at this, right. Once if you get into the elements, you can edit using all these tools, right. You're gonna get like text here, different blogs, groups, right, buttons. If you're looking different button call to action, just click here, just drag this kinds of button here. Okay, so many different options they are given here. Okay, once if you get into this option called elements, so many things they have, guys, here, right. You can go into this, right, your images, you can insert videos and, right, video gallery, so many different things, right. You can drag and drop from here. Okay, and also in the panel section, you can see they also given so many different blogs, content, just drag and drop, right? Whatever you needed, you have to bring it here, guys, and that's so much of easy. And one of the best part, guys, you can see in the top, it's responsive also. Okay, so this is really important. If your landing page is not responsive, then it's really difficult, right, to get the sales conversion here. So this is amazing free tools you can use to create your landing pages or the sales funnel, like complete funnel. So now, guys, you can edit all of this funnel according to you with so many features, as well as you can also do the SEO by clicking here SEO setting, right? You can put all the meta tag, keywords and all those things, as well as one of the important thing is, right, your Facebook pixel. You can put the Facebook ID, Facebook pixel and all those things here. Okay, so you can use Cheetah funnel builder like this. Okay, it's very easy. So you can go in your own time and check this. Let me show you the email also. It's in drag and drop email marketing. Just click here. So here you can see this, guys. You have to create your new campaign, and that you can create, and you can see, right, unlimited subscriber you can collect even if you're into free. You can see all the detail here, right? Subscriber and leads details, right? And your campaigns, workflow, everything will be here. Okay, so I'm going to make a different videos and all of these things in upcoming videos. You can see in the depth. Okay, so meanwhile, guys, this software is amazing for any beginner. The price wise also is very good. Okay, so you have to upgrade it right away, right now, for $69 if you're looking now. The link is given in the description, guys. You can access the free one also and start using the software and upgrade it. So hope you like this video. If you get some value, guys, smash that like button right away right now and do subscribe my channel.